Justin Farmer.
I'm Jovita Moore. New at 5, witnesses say a fight led to a man nearly run over, a dramatic car crash, and a man ended up in handcuffs. Channel 2's Gwinnett County Bureau Chief Tony Thomas is live in Duluth. One witness recorded video and confronted the man who police arrested. Tony?
Yeah, Jovita, when witnesses say when one man tried to run over another in that parking lot, things got out of control very quickly and literally. Everything ended in a cloud of dust and a crash. That's when a man walking nearby started recording.
I got my daughter in there.
As the man who just nearly been hit asked for help, police, who were already nearby, pulled up to the crash site.
There's a child in there. There's a child in there.
Within a few seconds, the girlfriend emerged carrying the baby. Then her new boyfriend walked out too. Corey Cochran watched it all from behind his camera lens.
I didn't think they would survive. There was no way anyone could survive.
They survived, and the two sides quickly went at each other again.
I watched him hop the curb, go airborne, and disappear.
Both police and witnesses tried to sort out what had happened as the arguing continued.
No sane person tries to run someone over with a baby in the car.
Later, the driver, identified by Duluth police as Alejandro Hasso, insisted it wasn't his fault.
He was far right there. He was in the middle of the street, so I trying to like get out the street. I'm trying to go home.
Yes, sir.
Hasso stood before a judge Friday facing charges of DUI, aggravated assault, and child cruelty. Officers say the 18-month-old wasn't even in a car seat.
Hand of God. There's no way they should have survived. Just nuts. But I mean, I guess that's Atlanta, huh?
And investigators say no one that was in that car was injured at all. He also remains held in jail without bond. Live in Gwinnett County, Tony Thomas, Channel 2 Action News.